Working in America, Employment Training Session 3, presented by St. Vincent's Catholic Charities. Job Interview. A job interview is a conversation between a potential employer and a job applicant. Remember, you are not the only person who wants this job. You have to convince the employer that you are better than the other applicants. The better impression you make, the better the chances are to get a job offer. Tips for having a good job interview. Number 1, show up for the interview. Remember, if you miss a job interview, you may not get a second chance. Tip 2 for a good job interview. Be on time. Americans find being on time is extremely important. If you are late for an interview, employers believe you demonstrate poor time management skills. Companies believe that you will also be late for work. It also shows a lack of respect. It is better to be early than to be rushing. Tip 3 for a good job interview. Dress for the job, men. Wear a clean button-up shirt. Wear clean, dark or khaki pants. Wear a belt. Wear clean shoes or boots. Overall, have a neat professional hairstyle and be clean shaven. Tip 3 for a good job interview. Dressing for the interview, women. Wear a clean button-up shirt. Wear clean, dark, khaki skirt, pants, or dress. Wear a belt. Wear clean, moderate heels or shoes. Overall, have a neat professional hairstyle, limited makeup, and no excessive jewelry. Tip 4 for a good job interview. What not to wear. No open-toed shoes or flip-flops. No clothes with holes. No t-shirts. No jeans. No dirty clothes. No bright prints. No big clothes. No short skirts or tight skirts. This is not to say some of the items could not be worn in the job itself, but they should not be worn in the job interview. Tip 5 for a good job interview. Hygiene. Bad hygiene issues can ruin your interview. Do not have dirty fingernails. Do not pick your nose. Do not have bad breath. Do not have body odor. This includes excessive colognes or perfumes. Do not have unwashed, messy hair. Do not have wrinkled clothing. Tip 6 for a good job interview. During the interview, you can be quite nervous, so please remember to smile, speak up and be confident, have good body posture, listen actively, and maintain eye contact. In America, having eye contact shows that you are being honest with the individual. Switch off your cell phone. Ask prepared questions. When answering, try to avoid one-word answers like yes or no. Thank the interviewer and shake their hand in the end. Next, we will go over common interview questions. In any interview, you will be asked questions. One of the most common questions is, tell me about yourself. Most people try to answer this as if in a social setting, but an interview is a business setting and they want to hear what kind of worker you are. They want to hear things like, I'm honest, I'm dependable, I'm flexible, I'm a hard worker, I'm motivated, I'm a fast learner, I'm reliable, I'm punctual. When answering this question, you only need to give 2 or 3 examples. However, do not list them, I'm honest, I'm dependable, I'm flexible. Use this moment to try to explain how you are honest, how you are dependable, how you are flexible. Common interview questions continued. Working time. Are you looking to work full or part-time? Remember, some companies only hire part-time in the beginning. They wish to discover if you are a good worker before moving you to full-time. Are you able to work first or second shift? If you are unable to work anything other than the first shift, make sure to let the interviewer know. When can you work? Weekends? If you are unable to work weekends or any other day of the work, make sure to let the interviewer know those days. When can you start? If you are currently working, make sure the interviewer knows that you must give your old job notice. Do you have any questions? Often, people answer no to this question. However, by answering no's, job interviewers believe that you are not truly interested in the job. Interview questions you may also get are, do you have experience in this job? If you do not have experience in the job, be honest, but go back and tell them things like you are a hard worker or that you are reliable. What are your goals? Here, they are referring to your goals with the company. Make sure to indicate how much you want to work for the company and how you wish to make the company better. What is your educational background? Here, they just want to make sure what you wrote down and what you say are the same things. Do you have transportation to work every day? Why should I hire you? Remember, there are many other people going for this job. Why should they give you the job over everyone else? Tell me about your last job. Here, make sure to always be positive about old jobs or co-workers from the past. Why do you want to work here? Indicate why you would like this job. Perhaps it's because they have good benefits, the company has a good reputation, because you have friends or family that work there. Illegal questions. Questions that interviewers cannot ask you. How old are you? They can ask if you are 18 years old. That is the legal working age. Are you married? Do you have any children? Do you have a disability? What is your religion? What is your race or national origin? Are you pregnant? Your questions. During the job interview, you will be asked, do you have any questions for the company? Often people say no. However, if you say this, the company will think that you're not interested in the job. Some questions that you can ask the company are about the company history, about training at the company, about advancement or growth within the company, about your job responsibilities, who your supervisor will be, how many employees are at the company, what is the next step in the process. Some questions not to ask during the interview are how much money, how often will you be paid, vacation time and time off, break and lunch times. After the job interview, when you have been offered the job, you can ask any of these questions. However, to ask them during the interview makes you look like that is all you care about. If you do not ask any questions, employers may believe that you are not prepared, confident, or interested in this job. Be prepared. Be on time. Practice how you will present yourself. Practice the questions you will ask. Shake hands firmly and introduce yourself. Hello, my name is. After interview. You may have to go to several job interviews before you are hired. This is normal for all job seekers in the United States. You may feel discouraged if you are not hired after your first job interview, but try to be patient. If you follow up with the employer after putting in applications, they will know you are really interested in the job. Send your interviews a thank you note. You have now completed Session 3 of the Working in America Employment Training. Thank you.